Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please like and subscribe my channel, and today I will discuss how to submit your permanent residency application. After ITA you have to submit the PR application, and those people get the PNP, they will nominate. Then after nomination they will get another ITA of the PNP draw. So this is for the both people, either you are in federal or you are in PNP program. So this is for both. Okay, now it's already 35 days left. You will accept, when you accept this ITA, so you will get the 60 days to submit this PR application. And now I have 35 days left, and I will continue the application, and this is the decline of invitation if you want to decline, but usually people don't decline. Anyway, I will continue the application. So make sure watch the whole video, because people get refused because of incomplete documents. So kindly watch the whole video, do not skip or forward. This page is open, and here you can say that there is a all candidate, and you can see there is the personal detail or contact detail. This already you have submitted in your Express Entry profile. Most of the you can see that they were already filled, but you have to look at some points they ask in little details. And you can see this part for, because I already submitted this questionnaire before. If when you get the ITA, so they will ask one by one. So it's just like that previously you have submitted in Express Entry profile. The most important part of this application is that for the personal history, this is the additional this is the personal history, and in the personal history the travel history. The travel history is very important, because the people is missed after 18 birth or 10 years. So you have to be either you have to go for the 1 day, or for days, couple of days, or a week, or couple of weeks. So you have to be submitted like this. So you have to be clearly mentioned your last 10 traveling history. So this is the very important part of this application, so be careful of that. And this is the question, statutory questions. Here you can define that if any visa refused, so you can mention here. So I will save and exit, and in the end I can show you the preview my score. This is what I was asking, telling you that those people had the PNP. So here you see that there the PNP score 685, which draw in the 12th November 2021, and this is all my score. And this is after nomination I accepted additional 600 points added, so now it's 1027. So I will continue with my application. This is the PR application. Okay, here you can submit all the documents, so be careful that, and very careful about that you are submitted the perfect document, and it's totally fine. And without upfront medical you cannot submit this PR application. You can see that it's required. So this is the upfront medical you have to do, so be ready for that. In the education, you can submit your education document plus ECA and plus IELTS report, so all together. And one thing, or remember that if you are 2% or 3% or more percent. So always save the file in the name of person and the field, so you at least you understand that you are submitting exactly the perfect file on the specific field. In the digital photo you can see here the three types here. This is the for the Canadian citizen certificate. This is for basically certificate. You can also see express entry and the Canadian citizen certificate. So here you cannot see the written certificate, simply express entry or temporary resident. So this is the photo size. So make sure it's not more than 6 months, and also it should be a white background, and it's not be taken from the smartphone. Submit.